The DJI Avata 360 has officially moved past the stage of speculation and rumor, evolving into what appears to be a fully realized product nearing launch. What once seemed like a futuristic experiment is now shaping up as a groundbreaking drone that blends immersive FPV flight with high-end 360-degree imaging. Supported by leaked packaging photos, FCC filings, and what look like professional marketing renders, the Avata 360 is believed to represent DJI's next major step in merging creative storytelling with cutting-edge aerial technology. Insiders suggest that the retail price for the Fly More combo could fall between $999 and $1,200, positioning it firmly within DJI's premium creator lineup, above traditional FPV drones but below the ultra-professional aerial cinema tools. Rather than replacing the Avata 2, the Avata 360 introduces a completely new category for DJI, one focused on full 360-degree visual capture, while maintaining the freedom and excitement of FPV flight. At its heart lies a dual-lens 360 camera system built around two large 1/1.1-inch sensors, a remarkable choice for a compact drone. This sensor size promises sharp, detailed footage with excellent dynamic range and low-light capability, likely rivaling the performance of DJI's Osmo 360 platform. Instead of relying purely on software stabilization, DJI seems to have implemented a physical rotating gimbal mechanism that allows the camera to switch seamlessly between immersive 360 capture and a traditional forward-facing FPV view. This clever engineering gives pilots the thrill of real-time FPV control, while preserving the flexibility to choose camera angles and framing later in post-production, without losing resolution or clarity. Safety and flight intelligence are also rumored to receive significant attention. Leaks mention an advanced LiDAR-based obstacle sensing system that creates a true 360-degree awareness field around the drone, a feature that's especially valuable since the camera orientation can constantly shift during flight. Unlike full autonomous systems that restrict manual control, this setup would enhance safety while maintaining the pilot's ability to maneuver freely. The combination of LiDAR precision, improved battery capacity, and optimized balance could make the Avata 360 one of the most stable and confident FPV drones DJI has ever produced. Powering the drone is reportedly a new 38.67 Wh to 67 Wh battery, roughly 22% larger than that of the Avata 2. This increase could push flight times close to 25 minutes depending on conditions. The airframe itself has also been redesigned with a darker finish and a rear-shifted battery layout to enhance stability and cooling efficiency. Communication is expected to be handled by OcuSync 4.0, DJI's latest transmission system, boasting a range of up to 20 kilometers under optimal circumstances. Altogether, these refinements indicate a major evolution in FPV technology, one that might redefine how creators capture dynamic, high-resolution 360-degree aerial footage. While excitement grows around the Avata 360, DJI's handheld lineup is also making waves. Leaks have surfaced showing early prototypes of what's believed to be the Osmo Pocket 4, the successor to the widely popular Osmo Pocket 3. The new devices have been spotted in test environments, appearing in two distinct versions that could represent a standard and a pro model. Both prototypes lack any visible branding, suggesting they're still in development. One variant features a larger, dual-lens camera head, noticeably heavier and bulkier than the Pocket 3, hinting at more advanced imaging capabilities and superior stabilization. The second version resembles the traditional Pocket form factor but shows a larger single-lens setup, possibly incorporating a higher-grade sensor or updated image processor. Physical buttons beneath the screen suggest DJI may be returning to a more tactile control experience, reducing reliance on touchscreen navigation. Early photos taken during what appears to be real-world testing, possibly in Barcelona, reinforce the authenticity of these leaks. The prototypes also showcase redesigned gimbals, signaling that DJI is refining not just the camera hardware, but also the overall ergonomics and balance of the device. No official announcement has been made as of late December 2025, but industry insiders predict an early 2026 reveal. Adding to the intrigue, a compact wireless remote has appeared alongside these leaks, designed to pair with the Osmo Pocket 4 and potentially with DJI's broader range of action and 360 cameras. However, Amid all the excitement about DJI's upcoming launches, confusion has spread online regarding claims of a DJI ban in the United States. Social media discussions have exploded with fear that DJI drones could soon be restricted or disabled. The truth, however, is more nuanced and far less alarming. DJI is not banned in the US. You can still purchase and operate their drones, gimbals, and cameras as normal. The controversy originates from a clause within the National Defense Authorization Act for 2025, which requires the U.S. National Security Agency to complete a full security audit of DJI products by December 23, 2025. If the agency fails to complete this audit by the deadline, an automatic ban would take effect, not because DJI was proven to be unsafe, but simply due to bureaucratic inaction. So far, no evidence has ever been presented publicly that DJI drones transmit data to unauthorized parties. A leaked Pentagon report from 2021 even confirmed that DJI's government edition drones contain no malicious code. Over time, DJI has strengthened its privacy and data protection features, introducing local data mode, offline operation, encrypted transmission, and optional cloud synchronization. In 2024, the company even disabled automatic flight log syncing in the United States to further reassure users about data safety. DJI has repeatedly stated that it welcomes a transparent audit, confident that it will help clear up years of speculation. All signs point toward an ambitious phase for DJI, with multiple product launches expected between late 2025 and early 2026. Insiders hint that the Avida 360's base kit could eventually retail between $1,400 and $1,600, reflecting its premium build, advanced imaging technology, and safety systems. With its ability to capture spherical video in stunning clarity while maintaining responsive, immersive flight control, the DJI Avata 360 could become a milestone in the evolution of creative aerial filmmaking, bridging the gap between FPV thrill seekers and professional cinematographers seeking total visual freedom.